Hello students, we are doing chapter number 13 rectilinear figures and today we will start exercise 13.2. In this exercise you will learn the construction of quadrilaterals in given different conditions. So we will start this exercise. First question we have, using ruler and compass only construct the quadrilateral ABCD in which angle BAD equal to 45 degree, AD is equal to AB equal to 6 centimeter, BC equal to 3.6 centimeter, CD is equal to 5 centimeter. Measure angle BCD. So first of all, we will draw a rough figure. By the rough figure, we will get an idea how to construct this quadrilateral. So I have made here one rough figure. ABCD a quadrilateral, AB6, AD6, DC 5 centimeter, CB 3.6 centimeter, and this angle is 45 degree. Try to keep always angle on the baseline. Now we will start this construction. First of all, we have to draw the baseline AB 6 centimeter. Keep your scale and draw AB 6 centimeter. Start from the 0 till 6. Give name A to B. This is 6 centimeter. Then on A we have 45 degree angle. So take compass. In compass, pencil nib and compass nib should be at the same height. Keep nearly 1.5 to 2 centimeter distance in your compass, and at A we will construct 45 degree angle. So first at A, keep the compass nib and draw first semicircle. Now from here, this point, this is 0 degree point, put the first arc. This first arc is 60 degree. Then again second arc, this is 120 degree. So to make 45 degree, first we need 90 degree. 90 is the middle of 60 and 120. So from 60 we will put one arc, and from 120 also we will put one more arc. So this we will get 90 degree. So this 90 degree angle, first we'll draw. This is the point for 90 degree. This is point for 0 degree. So for 45 degree we have to bisect 0 and 90. Always bisecting point you have to take from the first semicircle. So from 0 degree put one arc, and from 90 degree put another arc. Wherever these two arcs will cancel each other, that is 45 degree angle. Draw this line. Then this A to D is given 6 centimeter. So take 6 centimeter distance in your compass. You can measure from A to B also, because this is also 6. So take 6 centimeter distance from A and put one arc on this line. This point is D. This is 6 centimeter. This angle is 45 degree. After this, from D, C is 5 centimeter. From B, C is 3.6 centimeter. So from B we have to put 3.6 centimeter arc, and from D we have to put 5 centimeter arc. So take first 5 centimeter distance in your compass. And from D, take 5 centimeter distance. From D, put one arc with 5 centimeter distance. Now another arc we have to put from B with 3.6 centimeter. So take 3.6 centimeter distance in compass, and from B put another arc. Both the arcs should cancel each other. Wherever these arcs are cancelling each other, that is point C. And now you can join C to D and C to B. Write the measurement here. This is 3.6 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. And in question they have given measure angle BCD. BCD means this angle we have to measure. So with the help of protractor we will measure this angle. This point we have to keep here at the center point and then we will measure. Keep your protractor, join this baseline and you can measure from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 64. It is coming nearly 64 degree. So angle BCD is equal to 64 degree. If you are getting 1-2 degree here there, no problem, that one also will be correct. Next question number 2. Draw a quadrilateral ABCD with AB equal to 6 cm, BC 4 cm, CD 4 cm and angle ABC and angle BCD equal to 90 degree. So first we will draw the rough figure. Both the angles we will keep on baseline. Angle B is given, which one is the middle, that is the angle, and here angle C is given. Both are equal to 90 degree. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. AB 6 cm, BC 4 cm, CD 4 cm. These two angles are 90 degree. Now we will start construction. First of all we have to draw the baseline BC 4 cm. After this on B and C we have to construct 90 degree angle. So first at any one point construct the 90 degree. First semicircle. Then first arc is 60 degree. From the first arc second arc is 120 degree. Bisect 60 and 120 degree. So you will get 90 degree angle. Same construction we will do this side at B also. First keep compass nib at B and draw first semicircle. First arc is 60 degree. Second arc is 120 degree. Bisect 60 and 120 degree. After this next C to D is 4 cm. So C to D you can measure from here. BC is also 4. So take 4 cm distance in your compass and put one arc. Then second you have to take A to B 6 cm. So take 6 cm distance in your compass, measure with the help of scale. 6 cm distance take in your compass and from B put one arc. Wherever this arc is cancelling this line, that is point A and this is point D. Join A to D. Write the measurement. A to B is 6 cm. B to C 4 cm. This is also 4 cm. This angle is 90 degree and C also 90 degree. Next we have question number 3. Using ruler and compass only construct the quadrilateral ABCD given that AB equal to 5 cm, BC 2.5 cm, CD 6 cm, angle BAD 90 degree and diagonal AC 5.5 cm. So first make a rough figure and write all the measurement. Keep the angle at the base. So AB I have taken as the baseline. Angle A is 90 degree. AB 5 cm, BC 2.5, AC 5.5 and CD 6 cm. So first we will draw this baseline. We will complete this triangle and this 90 degree angle. So first of all we'll draw AB 5 centimeter. Then at A we have to construct 90-degree angle. For that, in our compass we'll take nearly 2 centimeter distance. We'll keep compass nib here and draw first semicircle. From this first semicircle, this first arc is 60 degree, second arc is 120 degree. From 60 and 120, if you bisect, you will get 90 degree angle. Next, to find out this point C, from B we have to put 2.5 centimeter arc, and from A we have to put 5.5 centimeter arc. So first of all we'll take 5.5 centimeter in compass. Take 5.5 centimeter in compass, and from A put one big arc. From C we have to put 2.5 centimeter. So from C take 2.5 centimeter, and from B put one another arc at 2.5 centimeter. This is point C. You can join B to C and A to C. This is 5.5. This is 2.5 centimeter. This angle is 90 degree. Then to find out this point D, we have to take 6 centimeter from C. So we will take 6 centimeter distance in compass. Take 6 centimeter distance in compass, and from C put one arc on this line. Wherever this arc will cancel this 90 degree line, that is point D. Now C to D you can join. This is 6 centimeters. Next, question number 4. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 3.3 centimeter, BC 4.9 centimeter, CD 5.8 centimeter, DA 4 centimeter, and BD 5.3 centimeter. So first we will make a rough figure and all the measurement we will write. So you can see here we have all the measurement, all 4 sides and one diagonal. So first we will start with this triangle and then we will complete this triangle. So first BC 4.9 centimeter. B to C 4.9 centimeter. After that, from B 5.3 centimeter arc, and from C 5.8 centimeter arc. So first we will take 5.3 and from B we will put one arc. First put a big arc, then from C 5.8 centimeter, take 5.8 centimeter, and from C put another arc. Wherever both the arc will cancel, that is point D. .8 and this is 5.3. Now from D 4 centimeter and from B 3.3 centimeter. So first we will take 4 centimeter distance in compass, and from D we will put one arc. Then from B 3.3 centimeter. So take 3.3 centimeter and from B put another arc. Wherever these two arcs will cancel, that is point A, and this point you can join to B and D. Right measurement, this is 4 centimeter, this is 3.3 centimeter. So in this video we are doing till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.